A mosquito runs head-on into a truck, splat, which is true during the collision. This is a multiple choice question, single select. A. The mosquito exerts more force on the truck than the truck exerts on the mosquito. B. The truck exerts more force on the mosquito than the mosquito exerts on the truck. C. The mosquito exerts the same force on the truck as the truck exerts on the mosquito. D. The truck exerts a force on the mosquito, but the mosquito does not exert a force on the truck. E. The mosquito exerts a force on the truck, but the truck does not exert a force on the mosquito. Here, this question based on the Newton's third law of motion. Okay. What is Newton's third law? Action reaction forces. Newton's third law, it talks about action reaction forces. So when the mosquito hits the truck, that truck exerts a force on the mosquito and the mosquito exerts a force on the truck. So the force exerted by the mosquito is equal to the force exerted by the truck, but in the opposite direction. Both are one and same. The forces, the magnitudes are same, but the direction is opposite because they are action-reaction forces. Therefore, the answer is A. The mosquito exert the B. The truck. C is the answer. The mosquito exerts the same force on the truck as the truck exerts on the mosquito. This is the answer. Okay. Now, the following question, based on this only, we have to find out the acceleration. Okay. A mosquito runs head on into a truck, which is true during the collision. A. Here also, this is also multiple choice question, single select. A. The magnitude of the mosquito's acceleration is larger than that of the truck. B. The magnitude of truck's acceleration is larger than that of the mosquito. C. The magnitude of the mosquito's acceleration is the same as that of the truck. D. The truck accelerates, but the mosquito does not. E. The mosquito accelerates, but the truck does not. Here, we know F is equal to ma, Newton's second law. Am I right? So, F mosquito is equal to mass of the mosquito times acceleration of the mosquito. Similarly, F truck is equal to M truck, A truck. Am I right? But when it comes to the forces, both the forces are same. Magnitude of both the forces are same. Therefore, M mass of the mosquito times acceleration of the mosquito must be equal to mass of the truck times acceleration of the truck. We know that mass of the truck is much greater than the mass of the mosquito. Obviously, this implies acceleration of the mosquito is much greater than the acceleration of the truck. Since Fm is equal to, this is Fm is equal to Ft. Am I right? Because the magnitude of the force, both the forces are same, no? Magnitude of the force the mosquito exerts on the truck is equal to the magnitude of the truck exerts on the mosquito. As the force is same and then mass is different, the acceleration is also different. No, here the mass of the truck is huge compared to the mass of the mosquito. Newton's second law and first law, no, the Newton's second law F is equal to ma means what it is, and the acceleration depends on the mass. Am I right? If you apply the same amount of force on two different objects having different masses, the acceleration will be different. Suppose the mass is more, then the acceleration will be less. Suppose if mass is less, the acceleration will be more. So select that one. So the magnitude of the mosquito's acceleration is larger than that of the truck is the answer. Okay, this is the answer for this question. So these two questions are based on the Newton's laws, conceptual questions. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.